What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video we're going to be looking at the best strategy for Facebook ads in 2019. Let's go. Okay, so before we actually start, I just want to say, if you are new, which you probably are, subscribe and like the video. I know the video quality and the audio quality, they're not the best. However, over time it will improve, and I'll keep bringing out some fire content with value, what most other big dropshippers don't. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so starting off, there's going to be 4 main bits to this strategy, and each area of the strategy, it basically requires you to do something different, which a lot of people don't do. So the first step to the strategy is the daily budget to start with. So if you're on quite a low budget, what I would suggest is either doing the $3 strategy or the $5 strategy, and both of them do work well. But what I would say is set aside around $300 to $700 so that you can test different products, different ad creatives, different everything, and basically see what works, see what doesn't, and then put everything together. The next bit to this strategy is interests that you should include within your ad sets. So the best way to start is do single interest testing. So that's basically you only include one single interest within each ad set, and it basically lets you know which interests are actually generating the sales. Because if you have, say, maybe 4 or 5 different interests put into one ad set, and then you get maybe 2 sales, you don't know where them 2 sales came from. You don't know which interests are performing and which ones are not. So that's basically what you want to do. And then you also, before you actually start, you need to research different types of interests. So the 4 I usually go for are brands, magazines, websites, and public figures within your niche. So yeah, you want to get maybe 4 or 5 of each one, so that you have 20, and then you want to test which ones work and which ones don't. Okay, so the next bit of the strategy is, what do I actually test? So the different things you want to test within your ads. So the first thing is pretty obvious. You want to be testing different types of interest. So this basically lets you know what interests work for my product, what interests don't. And then for each different product, so for each different product and campaign, different interests might work. So for example, let's say you're doing fashion or streetwear, and then you're testing Supreme for one product. It might not work for that campaign, but for a different product it might work. So that's why you want to keep a list of all the interests that you're researching about, and then use them for different products to test. So within your ad sets, after maybe 2 or 3 days, there's going to be a breakdown option from the results. What you want to be doing is you want to click on age, you then want to click on gender, and then you want to click on like platform and device, and you want to be seeing which of each category are performing the best. For example, say for like the fashion one, I was saying streetwear, Supreme, say that interest, the age would be maybe 18 to 34. Maybe that's the best that works. That's where you've been getting the most sales from. Or maybe Instagram, you got 3 sales from, Facebook, you got none. You basically want to see which small like demographics or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, pretty much later on you want to be seeing which ones perform the best, and then you want to target them only to save money and also have better targeting. Another thing you want to be testing within your actual campaign or ad sets, you want to be testing the different ad copies and ad creatives. So that's basically, so the ad copy is obviously the caption or whatever you want to call it, and then the ad creative is like the different image. You need to test which different mixtures work together, what works best, etc. So here I've actually got like a little list, so 1 to 6 that you can actually see. So the first one is different interests within your niche, the locations, the platforms, the age, the gender, the ad creative, so that's the picture or the video of your ad, the ad copy, so that's the message, the different offers as well that entice people, so you need to see what offers work and which don't, and the different days of the week. Usually the weekend's the best performing, but you can test that and see in your niche. So the final bit of this strategy is actually integrating all the elements together. So after testing all the different aspects of your ad, you then need to take all the best performing areas of your ad and basically put them into a few ads like together. For example, if males perform the best within the gender, and then Instagram's generating the most sales, and then you see that a certain interest is performing really well, you basically then want to put them all together and then begin to test the different elements, all the best performing elements, and put them together. And then again, as I said before, you need to be testing the different ad creatives, ad copies weekly, and you need to be always coming up with new ones and pretty much always testing new products. Just test as much as you can. That's like the moral of the video, pretty much. Test. So yeah guys, that sums it up for this video. I hope I brought value to you. If you stayed this long, please subscribe, like, comment, and give me some more video ideas. I know the audio and the video quality isn't the best, however it will improve over time, and I will keep releasing really valuable information that a lot of other people don't. So stay tuned, subscribe, and yeah, let's do this.